announcement, and on those very specific points, how much has developed and what are the kind of things which have happened are the first few slides. So the first few slides don't relate to today's announcement, but more for me to come back to you to say since last Friday what have we done. So in specific, the several announcements that we've made have already seen, particularly on the interest rate reduction and also for the banks to follow up. You've had quite a few product launches by the public sector banks, and compliance have been issues, the instructions for compliance have all been issued, and on a very transparent way in which we wanted to have the one-time settlements to be done in banks. The checkbox related solutions have all come through. So I just want to be clear that the first few steps that we are talking about are specifically related to the banking sector, but post my last announcements. So 8 PSB banks have launched their repo-linked home vehicle mortgage, cash credit loans and so on. Then instructions, all of which is available in the slide at the back. Instructions have been issued on bringing greater customer ease, time-bound return of loan documents. I did mention to you all last time that within 15 days after the loan has been closed, the documents will be given. And also on the point of tracking loan applications, where particularly the SMEs were at a loss because they didn't know where the application lie, how long is it taking for them to get cleared. The tracking facilitation has already been done. So the loan management systems in each of the banks are giving them the very clear information at what level, what stage their applications are. And the one-time settlement, which I did mention, has already seen instructions have been issued. And then particularly for the NBFCs, the support that we had promised, which includes housing finance corporations also, the partial credit guarantee schemes have all been executed. So sanction has begun with 3,300 crore already given, and about 30,000 crores are in the pipeline. So they're getting them, the liquidity is reaching them, they're settling matters through the NBFCs and in particular for the housing finance corporations. The co-origination is something about which we spoke last time. We said the synergy between the NBFCs which have the spread and reach and the public sector banks which are sitting with the liquidity, because of the co-origination, they should be able to reach out much more. So I can very clearly today claim, post my last Friday's announcement, 4 NBFCs have already found their solutions through the public sector banks, reaching out to them to get much more. So I can very clearly today claim, post my last Friday's announcement, 4 NBFCs have already found their solutions through the public sector banks, reaching out to them to give the liquidity that they so desire. And more on the pipeline, we'll be talking about it sooner. One thing about the Indian economy, I'd like to give a broad picture, is today as we stand on the 2.6 trillion economy that we are, of which 1.9 trillion is actually the credit in the economy. So approximately about 72%, that shows it as approximate, right? From a distance it looks like negative, it's not. 72% of GDP is the credit availability. So the measures that we're going to announce today, we think are important so that the credit in the, very importantly, stressed asset verticals are already created, as opposed to the inadequate slippage prevention mechanism, which really let us down in the previous years. Going over quickly again, Fugitive Economic Offenders Act has been passed, as a result of which many of those fugitives and their assets have been, at least their assets have been confiscated, and having confiscated their assets, we are after them wherever they are to get them back into this country to face the law of the land. Then PSB loans, which is within 59 minutes, you're very aware, now we are bringing in a lot more energy into that. So most of the loans sooner will be going through in principle approval in this manner and then getting followed up further. Then foreign branches are rationalized. Adherence to risk-based pricing is also happening as opposed to the ad hoc pricing mechanism which existed earlier. Then retail and MSME LMS are also implemented. LMS meaning loan management systems are implemented. Quickly again, to avoid further Nirav Modi kind of situation, SWIFT messages are linked to the CBS, the core banking system. IT-based centralized processing centers and verticals are also started. Then MSME bills discounting because of being on threads is introduced. Even the last Friday I gave one more step further on that, linking that with the GSTN also, so that nowhere will bill discounting for the MSMEs will become a problem. So with all these linkages, they should be able to discount it with greater sense of ease.
तो सर आपने 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी को लेकर काम जारी है और सबसे